Christine Villaseñora from BS Midwifery 1A. Have you ever stopped to think that a decision made in another country could affect your daily life? From the prices we pay to the news we see online, the world is more connected than we often realize. In this vlog, I'll be sharing my thoughts on what the contemporary world means to me. My expectation from this subject is to understand how globalization shapes the world we live in. I want to learn about different cultures, global issues, and how they affect our daily lives. I also hope this subject will help me become more aware and ready to see the world from different perspectives as a student and a future healthcare worker. For me, the contemporary world is the world we live in today, where people and countries are more connected than ever. Through technology, communication, business, and culture, what happens in one place can affect people across the world. This subject helps us understand those connections and why they matter in our lives. Issue that really interests me is the rising inflation in the Philippines. At first, it may seem like just numbers on the news, but it affects the cost of food, transportation, and other daily needs. As a student, I've seen how rising prices can make budgeting more difficult for my family. It reminds me that global and national issues are not just headlines, they can directly affect our everyday lives. Globalization has changed the way I learn and connect with the world. Through the internet, I can easily access information, learn new ideas, and stay updated on global events. It has also helped my family stay connected with the relatives who are far away. As a future midwife, globalization gives me the opportunity to learn from healthcare practices around the world so I can provide better care to my community.